In this video, I unbox an 11.4 gallon or 43 liter copper essential oil still made by Copper Pros from the Ukraine. The still arrived in two separate boxes, one containing the kettle or pot, the other the column. Packed inside the pot were things like a pump, which moves cool water through the condenser, the hoses, gaskets, a thermometer, the instruction book, and a few other goodies that I ordered. I inspected each piece as I took them out of the plastic wrapping. There was a ding at the bottom of the pot, but it won't affect its function, and it's not really an aesthetic problem for me. I was happy to order this beautiful still and support a Ukrainian company. The pot is where you place the water, which boils, and this column is where you put the plant material. The steam travels through it and extracts the oils. I've ordered a proper burner, and in the weeks to come, I look forward to sharing videos of extracting oils.